Hi, this is Will from White Spruce Tech, and today I want to show you something I've had rigged up in our RV here for several years, and I've shown some people, and they think it's a pretty cool idea. So I thought I'd better make an instructional video here and show you all how to do it. For several years I've had an Android phone, sometimes a small tablet, stuck in on the front of the dashboard to serve several functions. One of the most important things that I've been using is I've got a slave camera on the back window. We'll look at in a few minutes. That provides a rear view camera for me. Big rig like this, you know, it's always handy to do. This is an older rig nowadays. There's mostly the rear cameras are standard equipment, but boy, this is a nice hack, something you can put together that gives you a nice added bit of functionality to your RV. Up front, I've got here an Android phone. I use this as my daily driver for 2 years, and then when it was retired, I moved it into here as my primary computer. This is a Moto G, so it was I think it was $179 at the time. Pretty good bargain as a cell phone. Was a great computer all the time. And then I've gone and put it here as my travel computer. So I use several apps. One of them is TinyCam Monitor Pro, and I'll show you how to set that up in a subsequent video. And then also I use this little add-in. You can get this at Amazon for 25 bucks. This is a Bluetooth module that fits in the OBD, the onboard diagnostic port of the machine, and that runs with a different app, Torque, that gives me all sorts of information about the RV. And as you're driving, that's nice because you can tell what the load is on the engine as you're going up hills and such. You can tell whether the transmission's going to switch gears and such, and it really helps with driving a big rig like this on the road. The third app is OpenStreetMaps, and that's an inexpensive program that gives you great functionality for navigation. I've used the Garmin navigation products, and they're very good. The OpenStreetMaps is nice because then I've got one machine here that does all these different functions. So I'm going to show you the back installation here, and then some more details on each of these applications on how you would set it up on a machine like this. But I just wanted to show you the last thing here is how I've got this installed. The nice thing about this is all mostly a temporary situation here. I've got, of course, a 12-volt charger that keeps the computer charged all the time, and right now I don't have any very good cable taming here, but I have used little removable cable tamers to keep this cable locked down, and that makes the dashboard look nice and neat. And then the unit itself is just Velcro to the dashboard. So I've used these command strip Velcro connectors, one on the dashboard, one here. That way, if I decide that I need to move it or remove it for any reason, it doesn't leave any marks and such. So that's the basic installation. Right now we're gonna go to the back window and see how that one's set up, and then I'll show you the details on how to set up the software. Okay, so this is the other part of the installation. This is actually the master phone for this setup. This is running as a hotspot, so it sends a Wi-Fi signal that the front camera receives, and again, just your command strip Velcro. Velcros this right to the window. Of course, camera side out. This is an older HTC phone that is the back camera unit. So that's it for the installation of the RV, and I'll show you the setup of the software here in the next few videos.